Febriana dari kelas 1A dengan nomor induk mahasiswa 2109200034. Saya dari Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan, Program Studi Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris dari Universitas Galuh. Terima kasih kepada Bapak Dr. Asep Amam MPD selaku dosen pengampu mata kuliah kurikulum dan pembelajaran yang telah memberikan kesempatan kepada saya untuk membuat video simulasi pembelajaran secara direct teaching atau secara langsung. Topik yang saya bawakan di dalam video ini yaitu mengenai recount text untuk tingkat SMK, SMA maupun MA. Materi recount text ini berdasarkan kompetensi dasar beserta dengan indikator pencapaiannya. Untuk KD 3.7 yaitu menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks recount lisan dan tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait peristiwa atau pengalaman sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Untuk KD 4.7 yaitu menyusun teks recount lisan dan tulis pendek dan sederhana terkait peristiwa atau pengalaman dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan secara benar dan sesuai konteks. Adapun indikator pencapaian dari KD 3.7 dan 4.7 mengenai recount text ini adalah untuk indikator 3.7.1 yaitu mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dalam teks recount sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Dan untuk indikator 3.7.2 yaitu membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari beberapa teks recount sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Selanjutnya untuk indikator pencapaian 4.7.1 yaitu menyusun teks lisan dan tertulis mengenai teks recount dengan menggunakan struktur teks dan unsur bahasa yang tepat sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Dan selanjutnya yang terakhir, indikator pencapaian 4.7.2 yaitu mengkomunikasikan secara lisan dan tulis teks recount dengan menggunakan struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan yang tepat sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning my lovely student. How are you today? I'm very well too. Thank you for asking me. Have you breakfast today? Alhamdulillah, great. Okay, before we will start our lesson today, it will be better if we are praying together. Praying, start. Finish. Alhamdulillah. Now, let me check the attendance first. No one is missing, right? Okay, good. Thank you. Before going to today's material, let's review the material from this previous meeting. Who still remember it? Raise your hand, please. Oh, Siska, what's the topic? Yes, right. The previous meeting, we discussed about descriptive text. We're going to discuss our material today. How do we sing the song together first? Are you agree with me? Okay. As for the rules, if I say, if you happy and you know it, clap your hands. So, you must clap your hands, okay? Thank you. Let me start. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you happy and you know it, and your face really show it. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. Wow! Very, very excited. Thank you, my lovely student. Okay, let's start our meeting today about recount text. Have you ever heard about recount text? What is recount text? Raise your hand, please. Oh, Bella. Yes, that's right. Recount text is a text that tells of events in the past, so recount text use the past tense, and the purpose is to entertain the readers. Have you ever rewritten the event in the past? Yes, good. That is recount text. And what is generic structure of recount text? Does anyone know? Nothing? Okay, I will explain it. In the recount text consists of three parts: orientation, event, and reorientation. In the orientation, tells who was involved, what happened, where the event took place, and when it. And in the event, tell what happened and in what sequence. And in the reorientation consists of optional closure of event or ending. Let us start to read and discuss the example for recount text by the title Our Trip to the Blue Mountain. On Friday, we went to the Blue Mountains. We stayed at David and Della's house. It has a big garden with lots of colorful flowers and a tennis court. On Saturday, we saw the three sisters and went on the Scenic Railway. It was scary. Then, Mommy and I went shopping with Della. We went to some antique shop and I tried on some old hats. On Sunday, we went on the Scenic Skyway and it rocked. We saw cockatoos having a shower. In the afternoon, we went home. That was very pleasant moment with my family that I ever got. Okay. The first paragraph is part of the orientation of the recount text, and the second paragraph is part of the event of the recount text, and the third paragraph is part of the reorientation of the recount text. So far, have you understood about recount text? Okay, thank you. For practice, you can try make a recount text. Can you get it? Okay, thank you for meeting today and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.